It's hard to believe that the new owners of the Cybertruck has ever driven off-road before. They are just crashing their truck going off-road without knowing what to do and getting stuck every time. You're supposed to cross logs and obstacles at a 30 to 45 degree angle to maximize approach and departure angles. All he needs to do is puncture the battery platform underneath the truck with a wedged branch or rock, and you'll have a glorious lithium fire. That log seems to be too tall to even attempt with that truck. It's self-evident nobody who knows the slightest thing about off-roading would buy one of these truck. People buying Cybertrucks are city people who like the idea of a truck, but don't need one. So, the problem isn't the truck. It's that some of the owners need to learn a lot more about off-roading, both so they can know whether they're really doing it, and so that they can be safe and have more fun, if they choose to go for some real adventure beyond the kind of sightseeing